One is a mountain car tank. This is very nice color. I liked it very much. And welcome back to our brand new toy video. Friends, see, we have got so many toys here and I am going to show all of them one by one. Okay, we have so many colorful toys. We have three-wheelers, mountain car, double-decker bus and many more. So I am going to introduce all of them one by one. Okay, so let's get started. The first one, as you can see, this is a very nice helicopter. Wow, this is a very nice little helicopter, pink and green color combination. It has a little fan on top of it. See, this is very nice color and it has a little switch at the back of it, and if you pull this, then this little fan will spin. Okay, see, wow, it's spinning very fast. So I liked it and going to put it in my bag. Here we go. The next one is a double-decker bus. See, this is a very nice double-decker bus, it's yellow and green color combination. There are seats for the passengers inside the bus and it has four wheels, looking very nice. I think it can run very fast. See, it has four wheels under it and okay, see, this moving very fast. So I liked it and going to put it in my bag. Here we go. The next one is a cartoon car. Wow, see, this is very nice in color, it's green and yellow color combination. It has four wheels and see, this is very nice color. It's looking at us and it has a music player too. See, okay, and it can run very fast, I think. Wow, very nice. So I liked it and going to put it in my bag. Here we go. The next one is a three-wheeler. Wow, see, it has three wheels under it and it's yellow white color. Okay, so I liked it very much, and as you can see, there are seats for the passengers inside the three-wheeler and it's very nice speedy wheels and it can run very fast. See, wow. So I'm going to put it in my bag. Here we go. The next one is an aeroplane. Wow, it's an Air Force plane. See, this is very nice color, blue and silver color combination, three wheels under it. It has two big wings by the two sides and see, this is very nice. It can run very fast, I think. Wow, so I liked it very much. It can fly very fast. Okay, let's put this in my bag. The next one is it's an army tank. This is very nice color, yellow and black color, and it has 4 wheels. Okay, see, this is super army tank, 2 army soldiers on top of it. Okay, and it has a little switch at the back, and if you pull this, then it will run. Okay, see, this is very nice. Wow. So let's put this in my bag. What is the next one? Wow, the next one is a very nice racing car. It's yellow and white color combination, and it has a little switch too at the back of it, and it can run very fast, I guess. Okay, let's pull the switch. See, if you pull the switch and leave it, then these wheels will spin. Okay, see, this is very nice. I think you friends liked it, so let's put it in my bag. What is the next one? The next one is a racing car. Okay, see, it's the Tarzan racing car. There is written it's a champion Tarzan racing car, pink and yellow color, and I think it can run very fast. Okay, see, this is very nice color. I liked it very much. Nice. See, this is very nice. Okay, I am going to put it in my bag. The next one is a double-decker bus. Okay, see, this is very nice double-decker bus. It has 4 wheels under it, and there are seats for the passengers, a little door to get in the bus, and see, it's red and green color combination. Okay, it can run very fast too, I think. See? Wow, I like this double-decker bus, and going to put it in my bag. Here we go. What is the last one? Wow, see, the last one is a mountain car. It's pink and green color. It has 4 wheels under it, and see how big these wheels are. So I'm going to show you how fast these wheels move. See, this is very nice. Wow. Okay, I think it can ride up big mountain very easily. Okay, I liked it very much, and going to put it in my bag. Here we go. So we have completed introducing all of our new toys. These are all very colorful, and hope you guys like this video. Please stay with us, and we will see in the next video. Thank you.